Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lady B. Today we are going to be cooking fried rice. Ingredients that I'll be using to prepare my fried rice: I have carrots, frozen carrots, peas, green beans, onion, gizzard, minced red bell pepper, and yellow and green pepper. Then the other one there is spring onion, and there is my salt. In here I have my ready cooked chicken. So this is my train, my oven train. I'm going to be transferring those chicken here. Here is chicken and turkey. So I used salt, Maggi, turmeric, ginger, onion, scallop, curry, white pepper to boil my chicken and my turkey. So I'll transfer it here, and after that I will be taking it to the oven. So these are all the chicken and the turkey. So I'll be transferring it now to the oven. So I like to be there to 20 to 30 minutes. I'll be cooking my rice. I added some vegetable oil in the pot, so I'll be adding my rice. That's my rice. I wash it properly. So I washed it properly. And on the other side, I have my vegetable oil as well that I'll be using to fry all my ingredients. So I'll allow it to be here at least for 5 minutes. So here I'll be adding my gizzard. That's my gizzard. I like to do this cook for 2 to 3 minutes before I'll be adding the rest ingredients. So before I could achieve this gizzard, I parboiled it with salt and I sliced it to this desired shape of mine. My rice is still here. I'm still going to allow it to be there. So I'm still going to allow it to be there 3-4. So here is my rice. So I'm still allowing it to be here for 5 minutes before I will now add my water, the stock water. Here is my gizzard. So after the gizzard, I'll be adding my carrots. Here's my carrots. I have frozen one and fresh one. So I'll be adding it here. So I'll allow it to be here for another 5 minutes. So we'll come and check on it, guys, when it is 5 minutes. to be adding my stock water. Okay. I will test for salt. If there's no salt, I will add some salt more. Okay, need some salt. Okay. And after that, I will still test if the salt is okay. I will add some more. So now I'll be covering it to cook. This one is still here cooking. We are still allowing it to cook for another 5 minutes because of the frozen one, guys. So I would like to cook some more. Been here for 4 to 5 minutes now, guys. So I will be adding my green beans. Adding my green beans, and after that I will be adding my peas, frozen one. And after that I will be adding my red bell pepper, green pepper, mixed pepper. I will allow them to cook together for another 5 minutes. So it's still here, guys. I'm going to stir it, and I'll still allow it to be here, guys. Still allow it to be here so that I can cook more. Still allow it to be here for 5 minutes more. At our rice. Okay, our rice is still here, so let me see if it is well cooked. Still doing it, it's still cooking. Let me see if there's still water. Yeah, so I'm still going to allow it to be here, guys, until those water are dry. Then our mixed vegetable and our gizzard will be ready. So let's check on our rice too. So what I did, I checked it, and it was still check it will be here. Let me see. Okay, it's getting better. The water beginning to dry, because I'm going to leave it here that the water will not be in again. I'll be seeing only the vegetable oil. So here, this is still my rice. My rice is there. So when I tested it before, it was still very hard, so I added some water and some salt. The mixed vegetable and the gizzard is almost ready. Then I'll be adding my spring onion. I'll be adding my onion as well. I'll stir it together and allow it to be here another 3 to 4 minutes. So the same thing I'll be doing here. I'll be adding my onion and my spring onion too. So I'll stir it together. My rice is cooked, guys, but I'll leave it there to be there for another 2 to 3 minutes. So my mixed vegetable is ready. I'll be offing the gas. Even the rice is ready. I'll be offing them too. So now I'll be transferring these. I'll be transferring it with the oil. I added many oils so that I can use it to fry the rice when I mix the rice and the vegetable together. So I'll be transferring it to this pot. So here is it, guys, transferred to this place. So I'll be transferring everything. This is my pan. I'm going to reuse this pan because it's very big. So I'll be adding some vegetable and gizzard. I'm going to be frying it twice. I'm going to be frying this rice either 2 times or 3 times. That is why I added many oil because of this use. Assuming I didn't add many oil, vegetable oil, I will now add fresh vegetable oil. So I want this one so that the ingredients is inside, the taste and everything. So I will allow it to simmer again for another 5 minutes before I will be adding my rice. So it's well okay now. I'll be adding my rice. So at this point I'll load the gas. I'll load it to the lowest. So I will mix these ones together and I'll still allow it to be here for another 5 minutes on a low heat. So I will leave it here. When it's ready to be removed, I'll come back and remove it. So the rice is ready. I'll be removing it, and the same method I used to do this one, that's the same method I will use for the remaining ones. So guys, see you when I have finished doing everything. Ready. Now I'll be removing it, transferring it to my filter so that the oil inside can drain out. using the pot again, the pan again. So I'll be adding the vegetable and the gizzard too, just like I did in the first batch. I would like to be here for another 5 minutes. So I'll be adding my rice. This is the second batch. So I'll be adding my rice. I'll put it on a low heat, mix everything together, and allow it to be here for 3 to 5 minutes. Batch is ready. I'll be removing the pan and I'll be putting this pot here. That one is for the third batch. For this one, I'll be removing it, putting it here. Check on our chicken and our turkey. So it's almost ready, guys, but I'll still leave it there to cook. This is the final stage of this cooking. If you enjoy the way I cook it, like it, comment and share. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. God bless you. And this is the other one that I did before. Thank you, guys. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.